poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caroline. That's me. Welcome to a fun, riveting, and exciting start to finish wig install tutorial bow. And today we're doing something. We're doing a wig, but we're doing a V-part wig. It's a V-part wig from a Klaiyi, sponsor of the day, Klaiyi hair company. Because right now your girl is like in between hairstyles. Don't let this cute little headband fool you. But I'm currently in between hairstyles and I just need like something to freshen up. I'm getting my hair braided tomorrow, but also I have something going on today that I need to look nice for. And not me only having one earring on, I'm just in between life right now in general, okay? Not to, whoa. I need to talk to y'all face to face with my bonnet on, but like I was saying, I'm in between hairstyles. I'm going out later today. I need to look like, you know, you look decent enough. So I feel like it's perfect timing for you to try out a V-part wig. At first when they hit me up talking about let's do a V-part, I was like, no, I don't like V-part wigs. I just feel like I don't like them. Like my hair is really short right now because I did cut my hair. I feel like I can't finesse it. But you know what? When there's a will, there's a way. And I do like the natural look the V-part wigs give. This is a jerry curl V-part wig. It is in 20 inches. They basically were like, ooh, it's a new upgrade. Like they've done some like upgrades to their V-part wigs to make them a lot more installable. But a V-part wig is basically like a half wig, except it comes in at a V-part. So like you can even have like less leave out than a half wig. It's more wig than a half wig. I like how this has like lots of clips and combs on it. It's got 3 combs on the V-part section, the V, hence the V-part. Combs in the back, a drawstring in the back as well as an elastic band. So a lot of little bells and whistles to make sure it's as secure as possible. And it has a like little like sticky lining to make sure it's secure to your head. Let's see how we're gonna make this work. So these are like braids that are coming out. I'm washing my hair later, so they're coming out, and I want to do a side part. So maybe I should put the wig on to see where I want it to lay, and then figure out where I want to take the leave out at. And I think I can cut these pieces off. Yeah, I'm gonna cut these little stringies off that they come with. I think it's just like to keep the V-part together. I don't know. Okay, so I'm more like on the side of my head, on the side part action. So I gotta like find a way to maneuver it. Okay, so this is how I want to do it, right? So I'm taking out these 2 braids. I basically have it coming all the way down the side. And the wig is also tilted to the side. I wish I had some clips on the side right here, but I'll just get some bobby pins. Well, let me just pull that. I'll figure that out once I get that done. But it's these 2 I'm going to take out. Alright, so these 2. Now let me take out. Also brush out some edges in the front. Edges, baby hairs, whatever I want to call them, just to help like cover up the front part. So we got going on. Now all we need to do, like before, I'm really turning the wig to the side, right? Like I'm flipping it, but I realized I gotta go a little further back. Alright, clip one down. Was the clip even open? Okay. Now close. Alright. Other one. And then we're just going to swing it all back here. I don't know how much hair I'm going to need. Hopefully it clips. Some of that hair back there is not braided. I feel like it should still clip. Hopefully. It needs to go a little bit more further back. Okay. So I have it clipped on this side going this way, and then this side basically coming in as in a V. I'm just going to pull the wig onto my head properly. It's like gonna feel a little weird because it is like tilted to this pimp tit side. And what I'm doing, I'm gonna brush, because see how like the track is like this on the side. What I do to make it like the bang look, I brush the hair forward from the top. It's like it'll fall over my face like this. About I have literally just this much coming down to the back. Like it comes all the way down here. Let's see if we can blend this leave out. I feel like we can though. It looks very much doable. I'm just trying to map out where I want the leave out to be to make sure I have enough. Okay, this is actually gonna be, I feel like I can do this. Okay, so I took a minute to like kind of readjust a little bit. I reduced the amount of leave out because I feel like for how short my hair is, less leave out is the best way to go. So like it's a lot less leave out. Like I brought the wig, the V, as close as I could. Like I feel like if you have a lot of hair, you can get away with like having the V a lot open more. But since my hair is super short, for it to not look like funny, it's best that I like bring as less as possible. Like it's literally this much leave out that I have. Like that's how much leave out that we got going on. But okay, I'm gonna blend the leave out last because now what I want to do is take care of like the actual, I want to define the curls in the actual hair itself. So I'm just gonna go in and brush out this old curl pattern. The clips, I'm not gonna lie, they're not laying perfectly flat, but flat enough where since my hair is very textured, you won't be able to tell. That's the reason why I even relaxed. I cut my hair and went to go back to big chop. I feel like relaxed hair is so fine and it doesn't like cover, it's just like so like thin to me. Unless you have like long hair, sometimes things like covering up tracks, the hair is so thin you need more hair. But since my hair is like textured again and thicker, I can get away with like less. But yeah, I'm brushing these forward to help like make it, help like blend with the hair more. Let's cut some bangs a little bit. I'm gonna cut more, but just to start, it's gonna curl up more, so I'm not trying to like get crazy. Just trying to give it a shape. I'm gonna cut some layers. I was just like, okay, I'm gonna cut more, but I just want to like cut a rough chop so I can see it. And then on the ends, I'm just gonna do like a little even chop on the ends. Don't want the hair too short. I want to keep the length. All right, I feel like that's good. Then I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle and wet the hair down. And I'm really brushing all this hair forward, not like to the side. I do like a little extra finessing. I'm gonna spray some of my real hair, just a little bit, not too much. It needs to be a little bit damp to do this right. Now I'm gonna go with some hair mousse, and this is the Nairobi Wrap and Set Mousse. It's just like a little foam bottle. I'm gonna use the mousse to help with the rest of the moisture to saturate the hair. And just, ooh. You have to like hold on to the hair a bit as you're doing this. And keep brushing until I see the like actual curl pattern of the hair come out. Some like more finessing. This is really a lot of finessing. It's a little like, since the way I maneuvered it, it's not clipping down everywhere. But thank goodness for some bobby pins. Ooh, I don't hurt myself doing this. So I'm just gonna get some bobby pins to like stick the wig down this where I need it to be. Because these sides, since like my sides, ooh, When this dries, it's gonna hide a lot better, but right now it's just gonna look a little crazy. Just a little bit crazy. And then I'm pulling these pieces to the front, like hide, because trying to blend the hair this way, it's not gonna work. It's too short to even like, I don't want it to like look funny. So it's better if I just like have it be like a comb over effect, basically. Comb overs are not just for balding white men. Okay. Right now I'm just gonna like make these bangs bang a little bit more. Just a bit. Just keep curling until like I see the hair turn into like a little curl pattern. Sometimes I like twist it and finger coil it like this to help promote coils. I do want coils in it. Alright, now we're gonna style the leave out situation up here. I've even lost some of it because I wet the hair and it's already shrinking up. It's the shrinkage that is getting me. Now, my leave out styling, I'm still like learning, but I feel like what I've learned is using edge control into like gel is a lot better. So I'm just going in with some edge control and I'm placing that on the hair to help like define the curls. But you want to do this on hair that's wet, but not too much edge control. Get it and like smooth it into the hair, but also like be pulling it so that way it's like defining the curls, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like what you do with gel, but edge control is gonna like keep it from like poofing and shrinking up. But your hair has to be like a little bit wet, but I don't want to use too much because this edge control, I'm using the edge booster edge control, does like create a white cast. I'm also putting out my baby hairs too. And I'm like twisting it in. And it's helped like, it's gonna basically, I'm just literally just coating the pieces with edge control. But like running my hands through it so that the curls can come back in the hair. And doing like little finger coils. Maneuvering it where I need it to be. It's gonna make more sense once the hair dries because like the roots can be poofy because it's gonna resemble like poofy natural hair roots. Now I'm gonna just swoop these edges. This little piece right here, I need it to blend a little bit more, so I'm gonna put more gel on it and I'm just gonna twist it in with like the actual hair extension and tuck it behind my ear for more seamless kind of look. Okay, so this is what we're looking like right now. It's blended quite well. It just looks like, you know, like curly roots really. It's not gonna be perfect. My hair is short and I used like bobby pins to like stick places that I need to stick. I want the hair to fully dry so I can like play with it and fluff it up more and not make it look so like, I don't know, it just looks like funny still right now because like it's wet, but once it dries I can fluff it up, pick it out a bit so it can like look more natural in my opinion. But the blend is quite good honestly for what we got going on. Like it's not bad, but I want to like, you know, do a little more with this. So I'm gonna do my makeup, let it air dry. If it doesn't dry by the time I'm done doing my makeup, I'm gonna use a diffuser and then we'll get the finished look. And here we are with the final look, and honestly came out so good. I was telling y'all like once the hair dries fully, the roots are gonna end up looking like just like puffy natural hair roots. Like, ooh, I ate this up, okay? I grew my teeny weeny afro into an afro. My leave out has a little bit of a white cast because the product I'm using, I need to find a better edge control that doesn't leave a white cast, but I feel like overall this looks really good and super natural and is a great alternative, and I feel like it's all really because of the V-part wig. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys in today's tutorial. Hope you see another one. If you're interested in this wig, make sure you check down below, and peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.